Hi, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for coming over. And if you are returning subscribers, welcome back and thank you very much for your endless support. Today, I am so happy and honored to be co-hosting Miss Penny at Penny's Place, guys. So if you're new here and haven't subscribed Miss Penny, I highly recommend her channel. She does amazing shopping hauls, DIYs, beautiful tablescapes, but most of all, guys, her cleaning challenge. She inspired me every time I finish with her videos. And on this collaboration that she is hosting and I'm co-hosting, guys, is an open territory collaboration, which is to celebrate the St. Patrick's Day. But in Hong Kong, we don't celebrate St. Patrick's, guys, so I couldn't find anything that I have to put in my tray. Therefore, I have to find my ways to have something on my territory. With that said, let's do our DIY. So let's start with project number 1. I'm going to use this trash. This is empty tin can of biscuits and a potato chips tin. What I've done, guys, is I am spray painting it in white. I took it in the rooftop. As you can see, it's so windy and it's very, very cold right now. So I'm struggling to spray paint this tin of biscuits and the potato chips can or tin. So I'm redoing it because something flew off into this tin and this spray paint been ruined, so I have to re-spray paint them. And now it's dry, so let's sit aside and let's go for project number 2. As you can see, guys, this is a toy. I actually found it in my storeroom. It was a toy from my son. As you know, my son is 20 years old now, so you just imagine how long have I kept this toy. But anyway, I'm so glad that I'm gonna get to use this toy now. So as you can see, I'm trying to unscrew it. I'm trying to dismantle it because I wanted to take all those beads. And as you can see now, I took those green and natural color beads, and I got this how do you call this? A string from a cleaning mop. I took up one piece and I'm using it to put all these beads together. As you know, I always wanted to make these kind of beads, but I don't know where to find or buy the beads because, you know, Hong Kong is not a place for crafters, so it's very difficult to find things. But anyway, I managed to get this. And now I took a couple of those string from the cleaning mop and I roll it into a cardboard, and I'm going to make a tassel from this. As you can see, I'm tying it together, and I have to put it in one end of these beads. As you can see, bear with me, guys. I'm not really good in, you know, wrapping around. So, but anyway, I am so glad with the outcome of this project, this beads, and this is the outcome on this end. And now I have a cardboard, and I'm going to make a shamrock leaf and put it on the other side of these beads. So as you can see, guys, I'm trying to cut a shamrock leaf. Like what I said, we don't have any St. Patrick's a shop or to buy all this stuff, so I have to make it everything myself. And as you can see, I'm using a highlighter. I don't even have a paint that is green, so I try to find ways, which is I found this green highlighter, so I'm using it to make a shamrock leaf. So I have to make a hole, and I'm going to put this on the other end of this beads, as you can see. And this is the outcome, guys. I'm very pleased with it. So project number 3, I have another cardboard, and that is from, we bought a shirt, and I keep this cardboard that they put in between the shirt. And again, I am going to make another shamrock leaf. So I just got the shape of shamrock, and I'm going to do the same thing. I have to, I just have to use this highlighter, the green highlighter. As you know, guys, I'm running out also with this highlighter. So I just have to find ways to be able to make it. So as you can see, I got 3 different colors, but I have to make it happen. I have to really find ways to make this happen or finish this project. I don't know where to buy all the stuff, guys, but like what I said, it can be done. And project number 4, another calendar, guys, an old calendar. I think it's 2020 calendar. I found this color green in the calendar, so I have to cut the green color, and I'm going to use this to cover this frame. It's an animal frame that is broken, so I just gonna use this green calendar that I cut to cover this frame. And I found a sticker in my son's drawer, so I am going to use this to make a St. Patrick's sign, as you can see, guys. And I'm so happy and lucky that I would be able to make the sign St. Patrick's. All the wordings is there. Unfortunately, I couldn't find an apostrophe, so I just cut a small piece of paper to be able to make that, to separate the St. Patrick's sign. And now, let's put our tear tree and put all our DIYs project all together. As you see, guys, this plants is not really my DIY, but I got it, so I want to put it to incorporate with all my DIYs, as you can see. So I just pick up bits and pieces here and there that is to incorporate my tear tray. And here is the outcome or the outlook of all my project, all my DIYs, and I am so proud and happy that I would be able to pull it through all the things, though I struggle because I really don't have all the stuff that I needed, but well, I've done it, and again, I'm really pleased and so proud of what I accomplished. Anyway, I hope you like and enjoy watching how I've done my project, and I want you to enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching, and take care, and God bless everyone. Enjoy my project.